Bonjour mes amis! Hello! Welcome! Welcome to my French class avec Madame Tweedy. Alors, c'est French with Anana. Où est Anana? Anana is still enjoying a day in the sun, dans le soleil. If you say bonjour Anana, I'm sure she'll join us. Can you say bonjour Anana? Bonjour Anana. Bonjour Anana, here she comes. Ah, bonjour Anana, ça va bien? She is a little bit shy. Are you a little bit shy to learn French? Don't be shy, because French can be a lot of fun to learn. Yes, it can be. And if you need your stuffy or a friend beside you, then that's okay too. We're all here to learn. So this is lesson 1.2. So I'm going to take my pen, mon stylo, et aujourd'hui, je vais choisir vert. Vert is the color green, vert. And so here we go. This is the title of our series, French with Anana. And we are at lesson 1.2, the A sound. Leçon 1.2, son A. So we are still on the A sound. So remember, from wherever you're watching, if you are home, on the bus, at school, at the park, at the pool, remember to try and repeat the sounds out loud, and this will make a big difference with your learning. So our first word has got our friend all excited because, of course, she is also an anana, but not the kind that you eat. No, she's our friend. This is anana, the fruit. So in English, you say pineapple is an anana. And anana is one of those words that the last letter is quiet. Shh, there's no sound. There's no sound. So we pronounce anana. Let's see if we can say that together and repeat after me. A-na-na. Let's count the syllables in our words by clapping our hands. A-na-na. How many syllables? Trois syllabes. A-na-na. Good job. Bravo. Now remember, the letters in red, en rouge, that's the A sound. Can you find all the A sounds in Anana? And can you tell me how many A sounds there are in the word Anana? Un, deux, trois. If you said three, trois, you are correct. There are three A sounds in the word Anana. Bravo. Let's move on to our next one. Wow, our next one is the beautiful cow. And the cow word in French is called vache. Vache. V-ash. Vache. And how many syllables are there in that word? Let's count. Vache. That was only one. One syllable, une syllabe. Vache. Can you repeat that? Vache. Can you find the S sound in the word vache? Yes. There you go. C'est la lettre rouge. Vache. Good job. Let's move on to the next one. Casket. Casket. Now, this is a baseball cap. Now, don't confuse the baseball hat with a hat like this I'm wearing here. So, this is a chapeau. What I'm wearing today is a chapeau, not to be confused with une casquette, which is a baseball cap. Can you repeat this word? Casket. Casket. How many syllables? Casket. Deux. Deux syllabes dans casquette. Can you find the A sound? Oui, bravo. Voilà le son A. Casquette. Say it one more time. Casquette. Yay! Bravo! Let's move along to our next word. We see a lot of these in the summer. And this is an abeille, the beautiful bee. Abeille. And this time the A is at the beginning of the word. Abeille. Abeille. How many syllables? Abeille. Deux syllabes dans le mot abeille. Can you find the A sound? Oui, ici. Abeille. Say it one more time. Abeille. Bravo. Our next word is something delicious that I grew in my garden. Carrots is the English word. French word is carotte. Carotte. How many syllables? Carotte. Deux. Deux syllabes dans le mot carotte. Can you find the A sound? Oui. A. Le son A. Carotte. Carotte. Try it again. Carotte. Yay! Bravo! Let's move on to our next word. Oh, what does this say? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Well, that means what's inside the bag? Voilà mon sac. Alors, je regarde dans mon sac. Mon sac. Oh, il y a quelque chose dans le sac. Il y a quelque chose. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? On va regarder. On va regarder dans le sac. Oh! Ça, c'est quelque chose que tu connais? Oui! Quelque chose dans mon sac. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Do you remember the word for these? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, des carottes. And that's a word with an A sound. Carotte. Can you say that? Carotte. Wow. Madame is getting very hungry. It's time that I stop for my snack, my collation. I'm going to eat these delicious carottes. We'll see you in the next lesson. Au revoir, mes amis. Au revoir.